Hi everyone, welcome to my channel, Crochet for Baby. Thank you for watching and thank you for subscribing. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to make this stitch. This stitch, I think it's known by the Lacy shell stitch, which is a stitch that I use very often in a lot of my tutorials like this one here. I'll leave the link to this tutorial down here in the information box. It's a baby jacket. I use this stitch, like I said, for many of my projects, so I've been asked by a couple subscribers to show them how it's done so they can make blankets. And here it is. It's very easy. It just consists of these fans of 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Here's another little sample that I did using a thinner yarn, and as you can see, it looks beautiful as well. Okay, so I hope you like it, and without further say, let's get started, and thank you for watching. Okay, to begin, I'll be using this 5mm crochet hook with this medium number 4 yarn. I'm using Lion brand Bunches of Hugs. I'll leave a link to where you can purchase this yarn along with the hook that I'm using. Okay, so to begin, the stitch multiple is 6 plus 4. I have 30 chains, and now I'm just going to add my 4 chains at the end. So in total, I have 34 chains. Okay, so to begin, on the 6th chain from the hook, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, I'm going to make 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, into the same stitch, 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Okay, so here's the first fan to this first row. So into the 6th chain from the hook, we did 2 double crochets, 1 chain, 2 double crochets. And now we're going to skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the 6th chain, I'm going to make another fan. 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the 6th chain, do the same thing, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Okay, skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the 6th chain, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Skip 5 chains, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and into the 6th chain, same thing, a fan, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochets. Okay, and here's the last fan. Now you're going to continue like this until you have 4 chains left. 1, 2, 3, 4. Your chain is going to be longer, but the sequence is still the same. So once you have only 4 chains left at the end, all you're going to do is a double crochet into the last chain. Like this, and this is how we finish the first row, and that's what it looks like. Now to make the 2nd row, you're going to chain 3 and turn. The 2nd row is what we're going to repeat from here on. On top of this first fan, inside the chain 1 space, you're going to do a fan. 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Skip to the next, Jump to the next fan and do the same thing. 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Jump to the next fan, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Jump to the next fan, same thing, 2 double crochets, 1, 2, chain 1, 2 double crochets, 1, 2. Jump to the next fan and do the same thing. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets. And now to finish the second row, all you're going to do is go into this chain here that's next to the fan right there and make a double crochet. And this is how you're going to finish the second row and all the rows that follow. And here's the second row, and that's what it looks like. Okay, now for the third row, we're going to do the same thing we did on the second row. You're going to chain 3 and turn. Inside this first fan, you're going to do a fan. 2 double crochets, chain 1, 2 double crochets, 1 and 2. Jump to the next fan and do the same thing. This is all you're going to do for this row. Once you finish this row, let me finish this fan first. Okay, so continue like this until you come here to the end. To finish this row, you're just going to pinch this last chain right there and make a double crochet, chain 3, and then repeat the same row, this one that we just did. Okay, so continue like this. I'm going to make a couple more rows. I'll come back and show you how we're going to finish that last row so that the top is nice and straight and ready for any border of your choice. Okay, I did a couple more rows and this is what it looks like. It's a reversible stitch and that's what it looks like. Okay, so now to make the last row, what you're going to do is you're going to chain 1 and turn. On top of this first double crochet, I'm going to make a single crochet, chain 2. Inside this first chain 1 space of this fan, I'm going to make a single crochet. Now between this single crochet and the next one that we're going to make inside this next fan, we're going to make 5 chains. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Jump to this next fan and inside the chain 1 space make a single crochet. Now these 5 chains are the same that we have down here. Okay, now same thing, we're going to make 5 chains, 4, 5, jump to the next fan and make a single crochet inside the chain 1 space. 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, inside the next fan make a single crochet, 5 chains, 3, 4, 5, and make a single crochet. Now here to finish, you're going to chain 3, and on top of this last chain right there, you can either make a single crochet and pass this yarn through this last loop and cut it, or you can do a slip stitch. That would be up to you. So to make a slip stitch, you just go here into this last chain and make a slip stitch. Pass that yarn through that last loop and it's done. And that's what it looks like. Okay, so there's our stitch, our lacy shell stitch fan, and that's what it looks like. And here's another little sample that I did using a different yarn. I love the way that this turned out. Okay, so this has been today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Thank you so much for watching. Until next time.